KDPS presents a video on making a poster or slogan for spreading awareness about the vector-borne diseases such as dengue, malaria and chikungunya among each and every individual of our society. As per the guidelines issued by the Directorate of Education, spreading the news of preventive measures to be taken during this spread of the disease and what are the do's and don'ts. So here comes the video related to the awareness poster. Let's get started with the video. And hello all the students, I hope you all are very well at your place. Today I Rupal assisting Ritika ma'am for a poster making which is regarding the current issue, that is the prevention of vector-borne diseases. So let's see what poster she is making today. Okay, so she has drawn a poster with the help of pencil and now she's outlining it with black sketch color. So this poster is basically on the prevention and what are the different do's and don'ts during the vector-borne diseases. Now, what are vector-borne diseases? The diseases which spreads due to the mosquitoes around our area. So these vector-borne diseases should not spread in our area. So for the same, we are also making a poster, which you also have to make it. So in this poster, we will include many things like what we have to avoid so that near our area mosquitoes should not get the space for its breeding. So she has drawn many things in her posters and she's also showing that near our area we should not collect the water, because water gives rise to the mosquitoes and then mosquitoes spread those vector-borne diseases. In those vector-borne diseases, we can include dengue, malaria and chikungunya as well. So these are some major diseases which we should avoid bringing in our area. So for the same, we should be safe. So look carefully what the poster is indicating you, that we should not store the water for so long anywhere around us or anywhere around the area where we live. So as you can see, there is a wall and she has drawn water around that wall. So it is showing that this is the dirty water. This dirty water gives rise to the mosquitoes and this spreads out the diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Also you can see a mosquito. So basically this disease spreads due to mosquitoes. So we have to do something so that mosquitoes in our area does not get its breeding. She has written a slogan also: fight against dengue, malaria, chikungunya, stop mosquitoes and keep your environment clean. So this is the slogan over the poster. So you can see in the poster she has drawn a jar, and in that jar she is indicating in the poster that you should not store water for so long in any of the container, like any drum near you or any kind of storage or container near your area or in your house. You should not store the water for so long. Similarly, in the flower pot also, you should always put up the clean water in it and keep a regular check near your area so that there is no water around any wall or any of the area. Again, besides it, there is a container kept, a tire like container kept, which is showing that Few things can also contain water in it, undesirable water which we do not need. So we have to keep a check on everything around us, that no container should have water in it, because it gives rise to the mosquitoes. So here is the slogan ready: fight against dengue, malaria, chikungunya, stop mosquitoes and keep your environment clean. So this is how you have to do it. Make it in the same way. See how ma'am is doing it. So this is how the poster will look, children. This poster is showing the water which is dead around the areas, and you can see this pictures around your area also. These are very common pictures, like water is stored somewhere in buckets or in any container for so long. So you should change this container water on regular basis. Similarly, in the flower pot, you can see the water is dying around it. So this should not happen, because it contaminates the whole area around you. Similarly, near the wall, you can see it's very dirty water which gives rise to the mosquitoes, and then they spread the diseases, and which are dangerous to us. It can give us a high fever, or it can cause any other disease like dengue, malaria or chikungunya. So you have to keep in mind these few points while making the poster, and also these few points should be there in your mind also in your day-to-day life, so that you are aware about all these points. Other than this, other than the storage of water for so long, you have to keep many other points in the mind, like you have to wear full sleeves clothes. Your body parts should not be visible, especially your arms and your limbs. Also try applying mosquito repellent whenever you are going out. Sleep in the mosquito nest so that mosquito doesn't come and bite you, because it is a communicable disease. So this is how you have to make the poster, students. She has highlighted the quote: fight against dengue, malaria, chikungunya, stop mosquitoes and keep your environment clean. So you have to make it, and she is drawing the red arrows to show the danger that storage of water in your around your area for so long is actually a danger, and it gives rise to the mosquitoes. So keeping these do's and don'ts in your mind, make this poster and share with us. Thank you, children.